Hi, it's HardReset, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of TP-Link AC1200 dual brand. So we have our router in here. It was opened by someone already, as you can see by the box. Okay, so what do we have in here? We have our router, instructions, in here the antennas. Okay, you go in here right now. The cable for internet. I needed to think of a word. And the charging cable. So we're gonna open this. It's loud, I know, I'm sorry. Okay, so where do antennas go? In here, as I see. So 1 and 2. Oh, I need to... No, I don't need to do it harder. Now, how to... Oh, like that. Okay. Good. And we're gonna try to power it on. So I have one free contact in here. Oh, the cable is tangled. So the charging port is in here. Okay, so what do we have in here? 4 LAN ports, one power on. So do it have a LED for? So I will know. Okay, in here. Another reset and Wi-Fi. Also a nano SIM card. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.